In this demonstration, we'll show how easy it is to create a new dashboard, pulling in data from best-of-breed marketing analytics tools. Crownpeak's marketplace of pre-built data connectors provides a quick and direct way to leverage insights from third-party data sources. Connectors can be found under Settings in the Configuration menu. Let's configure two popular connectors, Google Analytics and Facebook Insights, and then use them to power widgets on our new dashboard. Start by adding the Google Analytics connector. Select the Google Analytics icon and then follow the steps to authenticate and store your settings. After saving, the new connector will be displayed in the list. Next, let's add the Facebook Insights connector. Select the Facebook connector icon and then follow the steps to authenticate and store your settings. Each new connector you make is displayed in the list. Now let's go back to the dashboard, create our new widgets, and see the data. We'll create a new dashboard to add our widgets. Adding the Google Analytics widget is as easy as selecting it from the list. We can also add a demand base widget, since demand base attaches data to Google Analytics. It's easy for us to reuse that connector to our account for dual purposes. Next, we'll add the Facebook Insights widget. In the Google Analytics widget, users can examine page views and visits and hover over any point to view details. In the Demand Base widget, users can select a time period to view, in this case, last year. The Facebook Insights widget shows an overview of reach and social activity. Finally, let's save your new dashboard for future use. We've shown how easy it is to use Crownpeak's native connectors to pull in data from external sources and power new dashboard widgets. The key performance metrics of your websites can be tracked and analyzed all in one place.